Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious quinoa. Alright guys, so today you're going to need quinoa, chicken stock, and seasoning of your choice. I have salt, pepper, basil, and Italian seasoning. I will be using my aroma rice cooker, but you can use your Instapot, you can use pot on the stove, really you can do anything, but this is just what I'm using today. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start by measuring off 2 cups of quinoa. And do you see the dust that's coming up off of the quinoa as I'm pouring it in? In just a moment, we are going to transfer this over to a strainer and wash it really well to get all of the dust and starch off of this quinoa. You should also do this with your rice. It's going to make any dish taste 5 times better just by doing this step. So, as you can see here, I'm just pouring this over into a strainer in the sink and just rinsing it really well. You'll see the water will be slightly cloudy when you first start this. Once your water is clear, then you're good to go. It's clean, it's washed off enough. So go ahead and transfer your quinoa into your rice cooker. And then we're gonna get ready to add our water and chicken stock. I like to do half chicken stock, half water. So that's what I will be doing. I will be doing 2 cups of chicken stock to 2 cups of water. When cooking quinoa, it is a 2-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of raw quinoa, you will need 2 cups of liquid. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add that 2 cups of water in here. So next, it's time to season it. I'm adding some kosher salt, and as you can tell, it's a hefty amount of kosher salt. With quinoa, once I think I've seasoned it, I like to add a little bit more just in case. And then next I'm adding some cracked pepper. And then I'm going to add another pinch of kosher salt. So don't under-season it. Let's really get some flavor in here, guys. Throw in some Italian seasoning, and then I'm going to put some basil in there. It's going to be so delicious when we add some olive oil and feta cheese at the end. I'm telling you, put the basil in there. So good. Alright, so just give it a nice good stir. And then with my rice cooker, it's really simple. I just hit the power button and then hit the quinoa button, let it go. But if you're doing this over a stove top, you'll just keep an eye on it, let your water boil, put this in, put your seasoning in, and then let it sit. It's about 20 minutes or so, 20-25. So for me, it's power on, quinoa, done, let it go. Alright, so our quinoa is done. Let's get a closer look here. Look at how fluffy and delicious that looks. So this is a perfect consistency. See how it's a little sticky? It's fluffy and delicious. This is the perfect consistency. So now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it over to another bowl. We're going to add some olive oil, parsley, and feta cheese today because I'm going to eat this by itself. You could add it to a salad, you could eat it as a side with some chicken, but today we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it, put a hefty amount of some feta cheese in there, and sprinkle some parsley over it and enjoy. I'm telling you, eat it like this, you'll love it forever. If you have some lemon juice at home, squeeze a little lemon over it. That'll be delicious as well. I just didn't have one today, so this is how we're doing it. So sprinkle that parsley over the top and enjoy. It's that easy. Alright guys, so that's my quinoa recipe. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Be sure and like this video and smash that subscribe button if you want to follow along as I post new videos every single week. I'll see you next week. Bye!